Hello everyone, I'm Dustin Wiggins, Portfolio Director for Lochinvar. I'm responsible for water heaters and tanks. Want to introduce Regent, Lochinvar's first commercial instantaneous water heater. It will be available in sizes from 500,000 BTUs all the way up to 1 million BTUs. It features real-time combustion with feedback with O2 sensing, flow rates down to 2 GPM, as well as flexible venting options up to 200 feet. So with that, we're really pushing the limits of this product and proud to introduce a new product into the market for commercial instantaneous water heating. Thank you, and stop by the booth if you have time. We'd love to talk to you.